Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Bison Workshop. I'm Bob, and today I just want to do a little short video on something that I did for one stove, and I thought I'd show you on another stove what I'm doing. As you can see, we have natural gas heaters in the house and the shop and everywhere, and these gas heaters have got screens that are really messed up on them. They're all bent and they just look bad. So I decided to do some changes to it. And this is just something that you can use in a pinch, and if you don't have the money to just buy a new screen for the front of it, or a wire mesh, or whatever you want to call that, it's just to keep you from putting your hand in there and getting burnt. And they're really opened up just too much, and you can still get your hand in there. And I want to fix that, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I had a piece of this wire mesh that just had laying around, and this stuff here will work really good to make a screen for this. So I'll pan you down here, or bring you down here, and we'll show you what we're going to do. I'll cut this piece out square, and then I'll show you how I'm going to make it. Alright guys, I have pre-cut this the way I want it, and we're going to make these two bottom ones here go into the bottom holes here, and then these here will go in the holes right here on the side. So we'll go ahead and take this one off, and then we're going to bend these because these here don't line up with those. So we have to bend them off to the side a little bit, just like that. So we got them at an angle and going backwards a little bit, and then they will slide down in there like that. Alright, then once we've got that ready, then we'll take and bend these around to face backwards, and then we'll bend this one over backwards, and then those two holes here, one here, and then one here and one here. So we've got the bottom taken care of. Now we need to take and bend this around so it hooks into that, just like that. Alright, we'll do that to both sides. Alright, now you want to take a chance, or take this opportunity to just get everything straightened up. Some of these are a little bent. Alright, and almost there. And they look pretty decent. Alright, then we're going to take and just kind of do a round, kind of a little bit of a contour to it, like that. Alright, then these up here will get cut. after I straighten them. Alright, so now we're almost home free. We got one more here to bend. Alright, so now it's best to turn your stove off before you start. Alright, and then we're going to put this down in here, slide it down, and then we will hook this one. And hook it in. Then we'll take and cut these ends down. So we'll just take and cut that one down about right there, and that relieves the pressure. And same thing on this side. And then we'll come across and cut the tops off. And then we'll bend them back a little bit. And we'll just keep doing that. Sometimes it takes 2 cuts. To make it look uniform. It would have been nice if all of them were the same size, but these are only but so wide. So now we've got one on there that looks really straight, and get rid of this nasty looking thing. This has got real heavy wire, so it's hard to bend it straight. So I just decided to use this, and I think it looks better. So then we can go across and just make sure that everything's, all your wires are straight. And you have to look at it from different angles, because sometimes you can straighten them all and think they're straight, and then look at it from a different angle and it's not straight again. So we got one more here to trim down, or 2 more here to trim down, to relieve some of the pressure because it's hitting the metal. So there we go. And I think that looks pretty decent. So I just thought I'd do a little video to show that little job, and that job's done. Right now we're sitting in my wood shop, and it's right above the machine shop downstairs. So I hope you guys got something out of this and figured out a way to put a screen on the front of your stove if you ain't got the money to go buy a new one. It doesn't make no sense to go spending money on something when you can take something you've got laying around and make it work. So there it is. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you want to help the shop out, you can do so with PayPal at bisonworkshop@gmail.com. You guys enjoy your day. Later.